Hello, you guys. This is my chicken. I thought it was recording, and I'm still frying the drumsticks. They're getting done. They getting done. Thank you guys for tuning into my videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Yes, they are getting there. I'm having fried chicken and rice. How about that? Yes, it's going, you guys. And this is already ready. Look at that beautiful chicken. Y'all, I thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos and sharing them. Shout out to Village Food Season. Thank you so much for promoting me.